Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start our 11th lecture of mathematics books of pre-3 class. Today the date is 17th June 2020. Let's start our 11th lecture from page number 62. Let's start. Firstly, you must have to write the date June 17, 2020 and the day is Wednesday. Here we have number names. You have to spell the numbers. Let's start. Read aloud. 46, 46, 40, 40, 6, 46. You have to learn and also write 2 times in these boxes. The next one is 47, 47. 40 in 7, 47. 47, 47. The next is 48, 48. 40 8, 48. 48. 40 9, 49. 50 50. The next topic is write from 1 to 50 in numbers. Here we have to write the counting from 1 to 50 by following this pattern like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Like this you have to write 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 30. You have to complete from 1 to 50 counting. The next topic is quarter. Quarter means the 1/4 portion of a thing, of a book or anything. This one is the 1/4 portion. The colored area is 1/4 or quarter area. Here in this page you have to color the 1/4 area. Here you have to color here the 1/4 area only. Color here and color in the first and also color here. You have to complete this page by coloring. The next is addition. Here we have to add. Here some objects are given on the page. We have to count and then make sum of them and all together. First is done for you. We have 3 apples, write 3. We have 2 bananas, write 2. We have 3 tomatoes, write 3 here. Count this. What is the sum or total? 8. Count the next one. We have 4 triangles, 3 envelopes and 2 balls. Count and add them. We have total 9. Very good. The next is we have 1 2 3 4 5 cones, 3 cupcakes and 4 candies. You have to count 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. We have 12 objects all together. Count the next one by following this pattern. Very good. The next one is add horizontally and vertically. Here we have to count the objects given on the page horizontally and vertically. Let's start like this. Firstly we have to done this. For the purpose of addition you must have to draw small lines Like we have 4, number 4, draw 4 lines, 1 2 3 4, 3 1 2 3 2 1 2. Count them, 4 5 6 7 8 9. We have 9. Count the next. 1 5 1 2 3 4 5 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. We have 13 all together. The next one is draw lines, 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 1 2 3 6 7 8 9 10 11. We have 11 all together. Very good. By following the pattern of horizontal like this, we have to count 4 1 6. We have 4 lines, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 6 7 8 9 10 11. We have 11 all together. Count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. This is very much easiest topic. You can easily done this. You have to follow this pattern and complete this.